What's up, guys? My name is Shalani Paudieu, and this is my friend Nawar. He's also in my posse.
I'm Nawar. I'm a sophomore, just like Shalani. I'm a neuroscience major.
Yep.
I'm also part of Union Posse.
Yeah. In this video today, guys, first and foremost, I want to thank everybody, of course, who's been subscribing to the channel. We finally reached 1K.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Anyway, but you know what I mean, like, so it's only right since we reached like a K. Like, I've been using my old ass iPhone 7 and my iPad sometimes to like film videos, and I thought it's like, yeah, bro, it was overdue. I needed an update, and I thought if I'm gonna take this seriously, might as well just like actually buy a whole camera. So like that was literally yesterday,
bro.
Yeah, that shit seems so far ago. But anyway, we decided to like buy a camera, like, because it's like if we at 1K right now and we continue filming some videos, and I got some plan in the summer to like continue trying to do some more videos, I thought it makes more sense to just like invest in something that's gonna like last me longer rather than still using my phone. And using the phone, bro, it works, but the thing is you get through a lot of like struggles and troubles, like trying to make space. Your storage is always full, like you have mad videos you have to like change, like put to your computer type shit. It's not really the most like ideal experience, so sometimes you just kind of like, you know,
sometimes you gotta take the bullet, take that risk if you really want to make something out of something. The biggest risks are the most successful stories.
Yep. Yeah, I'm looking nervous because this camera, this is the Sony ZV-1 we got.
The vlogger edition.
Yeah, this is the vlogger edition. This is literally something, okay, the way he explained it was that this is a camera that Sony made literally for YouTubers. Like if you're vlogging, it works ideally when I'm holding this, bro.
Yeah,
like
so,
it works pretty well because like it also comes with the stand, but you had to pay $9 for that too. Yeah. So
I mean, in total, like the price wasn't too bad, considering all the features that it has. It came up to about, I want to say, like you paid. I mean, you gotta say the tax, but like, just because we're doing a comparison, we might do a comparison.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about it. Like, it was about like $850 or something like that, right?
Yeah. I'll open the camera up. But yeah, it's very. If I don't know, bro, like the way it looked when we were buying it, it looked really good. So I'm convinced that it's pretty good too. Though. Yeah, I don't know. I'm excited.
Yeah, and you get this little cool attachment too. Like,
yeah, bro. Awesome. It looks so good. I'm not gonna lie. This is the Sony ZV7.
The camera by itself. So this is an attachment that's like the vlogger edition. This is like, I think it's like $100 extra if you add it with the camera. So the camera itself is like what, $750. Yeah, and so if you get the package, it's $850, but separately it would cost more. So it doesn't come with this, but this is what you can get with the vlogger expansion pack. Yeah, and I would definitely recommend anyone who's buying that camera, that exact camera, to get this because it's awesome, dude. Yeah, it's awesome, and it just works very like ideally. It just works nice. Very convenient when holding it up. Kind of have your own tripod with it. It's kind of good. Like you should definitely buy this if you're trying to take YouTube seriously. This is like opening Christmas gift, bro. Like it's exciting, bro. Accept it yourself.
Yeah, and it
just feel like the parents when they buy themselves shit.
I love the smell of new shit, bro. Like, all right, this is good. This is the battery, by the way. It's very small. I read somewhere on Google that you should probably like buy extra pair because you have to charge it every time, so you might always want to carry an extra battery
just to have it
because so I would also recommend you guys to get an extra battery. This is a dead cat, right? That's how you call it, the dead cat.
It's like a wind catcher.
Wind catcher or something. So dead cat for some reason.
Well, the point of it is like it catches wind. So like if you're outside and it's very windy outside, like vlogging on your phone or whatever, you're gonna hear that wind a lot. So what this does, it blocks out the wind, so you don't hear the wind in the video.
Exactly, bro. And that's also very convenient. And that's also a feature we did not notice in the Canon G7, which was like kind of like another like bonus on top of the tripod.
The Canon also does not have a package deal with the whole vlogging thing. It's just literally the camera itself.
Yeah, it was just the camera, and you was gonna pay mad grab for that, and it was just not gonna be like, it would have emptied my pocket. I'm not gonna. So they give you a little bag like to hold your tripod, but the camera could fit in there. Yeah, the camera fits in there. So if you want to use it for that instead, you could also do that. This is the little battery that goes in the tripod, because again, there's buttons in there. You're gonna use these, and it connects to the camera in some way. So like the battery, that's how it works. I would also recommend buying another pair, because you never know how long you're gonna be using it for. This is also convenient because the end of the camera under the bottom, like it could like clips to any like tripod or like any of the
other attachment.
Yeah, any other attachment it could fit in as well. Again, this is how it looks. This is how we look in it. Oh shit!
I mean, you can't really.
They can't really tell, but like
it's 4K. The Canon wasn't 4K. So
yeah, the Canon
you
wasn't
can process
4K.
4K videos. And you can process infinitely timed 4K videos. There's no limit to how long your videos can be. How long the videos can be. It also takes 4K pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is also the. I'm not sure what it's called, but this is like to block out the wind. It's just a little fuzzy. You just clip it right on the camera, and it should work fine.
Yep. And also the last thing I think is in there is should be the memory card, because yeah, there it is.
You also get a free memory card with the package.
Yep.
And this is supposed to be made by YouTubers in mind. I guess Sony had talked to a lot of YouTubers and really discussed like what they would want in a package and things like that.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you're really looking to go forward into YouTube and maybe you don't want like a really, really, really expensive camera that's like really out of your budget.
Right.
This is an awesome purchase because it's so small, but it's very powerful and can do a lot of things.
Yep. Yeah, that's the only downside compared to Canon, right? Like the Canon G7 or any Canon actually has like the touch screen like effect, but this one you can only use it like to like focus like your camera, unless you know like you can tap it, give it a tap to like make sure it's stay focused, but you can't use it as like to access your menu.
Like those buttons there.
Yeah.
So we have to use.
Yeah, and the buttons on the side feels really nicely. I'm not gonna lie, like they feel very comfortable. Like I was expecting it to like, it's not the best, but it's just like it's convenient in a way. Like it's not that bad, and it's pretty easy to use as well. And I feel like as long as a camera has these like basic needs, like you don't need much to really get started on what you need, like on what you're doing. Compared to your phone, like I feel like it gives you a lot more flexibility. You can use the zoom in this shit is crazy.
Yeah.
Like I like it's more powerful than the phone. Like and it's clean. Like it's still clean.
I think that your phone actually gives you a digital zoom. So your camera's not really zooming in. It's just like a digital zoom. This is like an actual mechanical zoom. Yeah. So the camera actually moves in. So you can get those really cool shots that you would be able to get if you had an iPhone. Yeah. Even if you have like an iPhone 12 or etc. Yeah. I'm gonna try to put the wind catcher in there because. Oh, wind catcher. Is that what it's called? Wind catcher. Yeah. That's called wind catcher. I was calling it whatever, bro. It's called the fuzzy stick. The fuzzy stick. I call it a dead cat because it literally looked like a dead. It looks like a mice or something. So yeah, that's how you clip it on. I just put it on and I'm telling you the after. But yeah. Yeah, you just clip it on and then boom, like you can film outdoor, windy or whatever, and it should be able to like help your mic and sound and etc. to be more like fluid and etc. So pretty good. But yeah, that's my camera. That's my new camera. So any new videos I film, you'll know where it's coming from, and depending on the quality, and if you guys also like the quality of the camera, you guys can also comment in the section below. Tell me how its performance, like how it performs on the videos that I upload from now on. Like whenever I upload, and also differences, maybe some things are clear. Right. Also, audio is cool. Yeah, we're taking this YouTube shit to the next level. Yeah. So that's one investment. So yeah, that's pretty much it to it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Like I said, welcome to the channel if you're new, if you're seeing this video for the first time. If you're trying to get started on YouTube, like I was trying to get started a year ago, literally. I started with my phone too, like most of y'all probably are doing. Like go ahead, start with it. Later on in life, you'll find a way to make better investment if you're really taking it seriously, like I'm trying to. Other than that, thank you for watching. I think I'm gonna love using this camera for making videos, especially
because like I spent mad guap on it, so I had to use it. So it's almost like
I have to enjoy it.
Yeah, I have to enjoy this shit, you know. So for sure. So like, thank you for watching. Again, if you're new, please subscribe, and also thank you to all my new subscribers who decided to subscribe on this video. I really appreciate every one of you guys who's been commenting under that one video, bro. It's not one video, bro, I swear, but I appreciate it so much for, you know, hopping in and showing that support. Hopefully 5 years later we did it.
Yeah, bro. It's only up from here.
Yeah, right, we're gonna go up from here. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video if you're interested in buying a camera, something cheap, something that's gonna like get you started and feel motivated about doing YouTube, just like I feel excited right now. Definitely do it. Yeah, and enjoy.
So we got it on Best Buy, but you can purchase
it
anywhere
online as well. Yeah,
we can leave a link in the description.
Yeah. Also in the description.
Have a great day, guys.
Dang. Bye. See y'all another day in another video with my new camera.